In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export emails from Outlook. This is a skill that can come in handy if you need to back up important messages, transfer emails to another account, or simply organize your digital life a bit better. So let's dive in and get started. First, let's open Outlook. If it's not already open on your computer, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in the Outlook main window, take a moment to identify the email or emails you want to export. This step is crucial because it ensures you're focusing on the right messages to save or move. Now, with your email or list of emails identified, you'll need to right-click on the selection. This action is your gateway to a variety of options that Outlook has to offer. Right-clicking brings up a context menu, which is a list of commands that can be applied to the item you right-clicked on. This is typical in many software environments, providing access to useful tools and shortcuts. As you glance through the menu options that appear, look for the download button. This option is specifically designed to allow you to download, save, or export your emails right to your computer. When you click on download, Outlook will begin the process of saving your selected emails. You might be prompted to choose a location on your hard drive where these exported emails will be stored. If so, make sure it's somewhere you can easily find later. An organized folder can make all the difference when retrieving these files. After selecting your preferred storage location, Outlook takes care of the rest. The emails will be saved in the format specified by Outlook, often as an .eml or .pst file, depending on your version of Outlook and your specific needs. These file formats are supported by most email clients, so you should have no trouble accessing or transferring them later. This process is fairly straightforward, but here's a quick tip. If you ever find yourself exporting a large number of emails or needing to do this frequently, consider creating a dedicated folder on your computer or an external drive for these exports. It helps to keep things tidy and ensures that you always know where your important files are. And there you have it, a simple, effective method to export emails from Outlook. Whether you're transferring important correspondence for work or saving personal messages that hold sentimental value, knowing how to export your emails is a useful skill to have in your digital toolkit. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.